Hi, my name is Bolanle, and I'm a presenter. Yes, I talk for a living. I host TV shows, I do interviews, I host red carpet events. Anything that has to do with talking, I'm there. Hi guys, my name is Bolanle, and today on the show, we're gonna be reminiscing on some of our favorite moments. Last night really was a fantastic night. That was crazy. Goodie bags for you guys. And although it might seem like it's a natural talent, it's actually an art that has been harnessed over time. I wanna teach you. I want you to become a presenter. Now, if you think you have what it takes to be a presenter, join me in my masterclass, where I will be teaching you everything you need to know about becoming a presenter and getting the job of your dreams.
So even if you don't have the big picture, I want to encourage you guys to start doing what it is that you can do now.
Join me in my masterclass, and you can be doing this too.
All I'm okay, watch up with the biggie, biggie,